Hello, I'm Steve, this is a bit of munch, and I've got some spicy bites today from Lidl. Vitasia Indian style spicy bites with Tikka Masala dips. Fried minced chicken and rice with 2 Tikka Masala dips, $1.99. Yeah, which is a good price for the weight of it, because it's 320 grams there. It's pretty heavy. Whether it's any good or not, of course, don't know yet, do we? Ready to eat, cooked and seasoned bites made with rice and minced chicken and separate Tikka Masala dips. 84% rice and chicken bites. And of that 84%, 60% is the rice, 15% chicken, and then 10% chicken skin. Which I think is a good sign, actually, because chicken skin quite often gives things a good taste. Then you've got loads of spices, chilli, paprika, turmeric, coriander, cumin, and then your dips. As I said, you can eat these hot or cold, so I'm going to try them cold, and then to try them hot, all you have to do is microwave them for a minute. So try them cold first, see what they're like. If I can open the pack, of course. Ah, well, sort of. It's not exactly an easy peel, though. Here we go. Right. So, there's your chicken bites, and there's your dips. Which you can't see because they're the wrong way round. Let's turn one round. There we go, Tikka Masala dip. I don't know how long these last once they're open. Probably only a day or two. But, yeah, instant curry spices, chicken nugget sort of smell. Which is what they are really, isn't it? They're chicken nuggets with rice in them and spices. Smell quite good actually. Okay. The rice gives a really interesting texture actually, because normally you bite into something like this and it's just chicken, isn't it? You don't expect rice. Yeah, there's nothing really wrong with it, it's just unusual. A little bit of heaty? A little bit of spicy heat there, that's what I was trying to say, not heaty spice. But yeah, not bad. Quite a mild taste. It's not strongly spiced. Mildly spiced. Very mildly, warmly spiced. Interesting texture. I like that. Right, I wonder what this dip will be like. Try one in the dip and then I'll heat a few up. Oh, if I can undo this dip, I'll try them in the dip. Here we go. Right, stick that over there. Oh yes, that smells really nice, that does. That, have a smell, go on. Yeah, it does smell good, doesn't it? It's what it smells like, and what it looks like, is tikka paste. You know, like you'd use to make a curry or whatever. It's really thick. In fact, that's hardly... I'm not going to turn it upside down and hold it over my head, though. I'm not that silly. No. Okay. Oh, that's much better. I'm going to try a bit of this dip on its own, actually. Stick my finger in it. There we go. That's lovely. Again, not strongly. You haven't got a lot of chili heat to it at all. Almost Tikka Masala, you don't expect to. But it's a really... Yeah, it's almost got... I wonder if there's any lemon in this. I'll try turning it upside down now. Yeah, there might be... I'm getting a sort of citrusy taste. Oh yeah, the chicken. Right, just finish this one, and I'll microwave a few. But so far, yeah. Okay, I'll just stick you on pause while I microwave a few. Have I paused you? No, I haven't. And I'm back. Right, and there's 3 of them microwaved. And these were sort of crackling and spitting away while they were in the microwave. You can see bits of oil on the plate there, which is quite often a good sign. And the smell is a lot stronger now they've been warmed up. Right. So they took 1 minute. Oh, but while they were microwaving, I counted how many of these you get in the pack. You get 14 for $1.99. Quite good, I think. Right. Still hot. That's strange because the texture is better warmed up because it sort of combines into one thing, if you know what I mean. When they're cold, you can feel the rice in your mouth, and it's different to the chicken. Now it's warmed up, it's just all one. Does that make sense? But there's not as much taste. I think I prefer them cold. Right, in my dip. Let's see what it's like now it's warmed up in the Tikka Masala dip. Definitely prefer these cold, I really do. You might prefer them warm. Each to their own, as I always say. They're good warmed up, they're much better cold. And I didn't expect to say that. So, Lidl Vitasia Spicy Bites. I recommend them. I think they're better cold. I'm spitting a bit out there. I think they're better. I'll start again, shall I? I think they're better when they're cold. You might think they're better when they're hot. Each to their own. I've said it again. Right. I recommend them though. But you might not be able to get them now. Because these went on offer Thursday last week, and as you probably know, Lidl change their offers once a week. So unless you find something that hasn't sold well, by the end of that week they've all gone. So have a look, you might find them. But even if you don't find them, they'll probably come round again. Lidl quite often repeat their offers on things, so yeah, they might pop up again. And if they do, I'll buy them again. I'm not sure what you'd do with them for a meal, because you wouldn't want rice with them, because they've got rice in them. You wouldn't really want chicken in them. Just some chips, I suppose. I don't know. but they're just nice as a snack on their own. Right, I recommend them. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go and eat a few more of them, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, hit the like button. Thanks a lot.